So what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Stuff and Things. Sorry about the sound, I haven't got a little mic wired up with me today, so it's a bit echoey in the kitchen. It's a little bit empty because I'm moving house. So hopefully in the next property, I shall have a decent place to film this sort of thing. We're talking about heated stuff today. That's right, it's heating up in here. It's hot like a mother. I've been sent some heated apparel. It says so on the boxes, it says heated apparel, heated clothing basically, to you and I. And I've got a set of gloves, a vest, and some various little gubbins all around here that I'm going to show you. And this was kindly sent by a company called Keis. So thank you very much to Helen up there, down there. I'm not actually sure where they're based, but I wasn't after heated clothing, if that makes sense. We were talking about something else, and she said to me, do you fancy trying out this heated clothing? And I went, yeah, you're damn right I do. You know why? Because I'm bloody cold. So she kindly sent me some stuff in the post. It's been sitting on the side for a little while because it hasn't been cold enough to warrant heated stuff, like electronically heated stuff. Is there any other type of heated stuff? I don't suppose you can plumb your jacket in, can you? No, that's stupid. Right, it's been sitting on the side for a little while. I've opened the gloves as in the box. I haven't actually taken them out and have a look. I wanted to kind of share this, go through this together, make it authentic, although many things I do are not authentic. But you never know that because I'm such a great actor. I really am. I think I should get an Oscar. Anyway, shut up, get on with it. That's what you're here for. And someone always puts that in the comments.
It took you 5 minutes to get into the video. We only tuned in to see what you were saying. We didn't tune in to listen to you or your personality.
Well, big news, my friend. It's my channel. Do what I want, when I want. Anyway, back to the gloves, the jacket, not the jacket, the vest. I'll get there in a minute. I'm getting a little bit excited here, can you tell? Right, let's crack on. Let's go through some of the stuff that was sent. So once again, thank you to Helen up at Keis, and she does other stuff as well. She's part of the PR team. Thank you very, very much for sending me this. I really appreciate it. This channel is still a hobby for me, so it's fantastic that companies are investing in this channel and sending me stuff. So really appreciate it. And if there are any other companies out there that want to send me stuff, you know where I am. But only good stuff. None of your shit. Right, what have we got? Let's go through the main boxes first. We got one of these, which is the gloves. Now, I was told by Helen on the emails that to get the heated gloves, I think they've got two types. They've got like an over the sleeve glove and an under the sleeve glove, if that makes sense. I've got the shorty, which is the under the sleeve, because I wear my winter gloves under my jacket sleeve. Yeah, it does make a little bit of sense, doesn't it? Rarely, but that did. So that's what I've got. And she said also, sorry about this, I know, building the tension. She said also get a size larger than you do normally. So I'm normally a medium. Yeah, I've got little hands, but it has benefits in other ways. So I've gone for the large. We got some product information, some instructions. We got leads. So we got a little fuse box lead there, and that connects straight to the battery. And then the extender lead that goes up to the gloves or whatever you want to plug in. Because I'm pretty sure that it's a universal kind of plug-in type for the jackets, the socks, I think they do socks or insoles, the trousers, the vests and the gloves. I think I've covered everything. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll leave a link to their website down below in the descriptions box. You can check out all their stuff there. Right, so I know I can hardwire it to there. I'll come back to something else in a minute because she did ask how I'm going to power this stuff. And I said some bikes I'm going to hardwire and other bikes I can't hardwire. So when I show you the little accessories that I got with this, that'll all make sense. Right, back to the gloves. We don't need the box. And here they are, the gloves. I don't know how to make this look dramatic. So they're breathable, waterproof with a Hypora membrane in. They're also 3M insulated or thinsulate. They do a thin, yeah, I won't go into that. What else have we got on here? It says on here, Keis Dual Power offers you flexibility to power your garment from external 12-volt power supply or from a Keis portable battery pack. And these are the gloves. And I've got to say, they look pretty nice. Oh, actually feel quite nice just as a glove. Hello, the claw, the claw, the claw. Don't know why I did that, but I did. On the inside here, got this, very, very grippy. Very, that's bloody nice. And I'll assume these things here are for your touch screen, so you can work your phone while it's on the bike. So I always look for these in gloves now. I won't buy a set of gloves, although my last pair I did buy and they didn't have it, and it's very annoying. I try not to buy a set of gloves without these because I've always got the phone on the front of the bike there. It's got a little bit of protection there. On here you've got a little strap there, Velcro, and a little zip. I don't know if you can see that, it's probably easier if I take it off. You've got the strap there and a little bit of adjustment there, that's better. And then here's where it all works here. This is a little button here. Can you hear that? That's what buttons do. And I'll assume that turns it on and off, and I think there's 3 different levels. Not 100% sure with that. I should really do my research. And then this is where the power goes in. But the beauty of these is what I'm looking at here is they're a pretty decent pair of gloves before you've even plugged them in and got them heated. So that's a good thing. So there are the gloves. And that's what comes in the box. So a pair of gloves and the wires to heat them up. No battery pack, just the hard wire to go straight to your bike, which 95% of us are gonna do. Right, on to the vest. Save the vest to last. Although I didn't save it till last and it was a really crap joke. But you know where I'm coming from. Right, the vest. Can you see that? In the packaging. And this also comes with a hard wire to the battery. So the beauty of having the 2 things is I've now got 2 hardwire sets plus a battery pack that I will show you in a minute. So that's good. So I can hardwire 2 of my bikes up and keep one free. And the beauty of having a battery pack as well, again, I'll come back to this, is when I do test reviews or rides, I can still use the heated stuff, but take the battery pack with me. Because obviously I cannot hardwire a stranger's bike. That's just bizarre. Right, back onto the vest. Yes, that's one. This is going to be a little bit harder to show you. So that's the back. I don't know if you can see that, but it's focusing. That's the front. Let's try it on. It's like a fashion show. Unfortunately, you don't get a model. You just get this. So this is a size 56. I'm a 52-inch chest, but she did say to me, she said, basically, whatever size jacket you wear, go a size lower. So I'm a double XL in my jackets and my hoodies, that sort of thing. So this is, I think it's the equivalent of an XL. But let's try it on and give you a little bit of a fashion show. Oh, this is going to be embarrassing, isn't it? There you go, it's nice and snug. It feels really comfortable. It's actually got a little bit of give and stretch in it, which is nice. It's got a little pocket here. Don't know if I ever use that, but it's got a pocket anyway. And yeah, it feels nice. I'm wearing it over the top of a t-shirt because you're supposed to wear heated clothing over the top of basically anything you want underneath it. You shouldn't wear it straight on bare skin. That's what I've been told. So I'd wear it over the top of the t-shirt, or if I'm wearing something over the top of this, I can wear the t-shirt, the vest, and then kind of, you know, that wintry stuff you wear over the top. But what I'm hoping is that this will eliminate the bulky stuff I wear on the bike. But it feels really, really comfortable. We can safely say I'm not a model, but it's the best you're going to get. I can't afford to hire external models. Not yet, maybe one day, but at this point in time, I can't. So there you go. That's the jacket. Let's have a little look at some of the little features with it. You've got in here is a little doodad, professional name. Obviously some part of the heating wiring. I'm clever, you see. So that sits in there. And then you've got a pocket this side. It's very hard to show you on this little screen. That pocket on the chest that I showed you earlier. And then obviously a pocket the other side. It's really nice material. And it's got this as well, look. I didn't realise it does this, but that says the 12-volt power supply to the gloves. So I'm assuming that you can run the system up to the vest and then run the gloves from the vest. So you only need to hardwire in one kind of lead. So then the lead runs into here, and then the lead from here runs into your gloves, if that makes any sense. So I didn't know that. I'm assuming that. I like that idea, because I was thinking you have to kind of run the vest off the bike and then maybe the gloves off the battery. But seems you don't. You can run both off either the battery or the bike. I like that. So there you go. That's the vest. I'm trying not to make this video too long, so I'm going to crack on with the accessories that came with it. And when I say came with it, I don't mean it comes with the pack when you get the vest or the gloves. I've shown you what comes with the vest. It's the vest and the hardwire lead, and with the gloves, it's the hardwire lead and the little extension lead. That's what you get with those sets. These are extras that you can purchase, and what they've sent me, because I want to run it via a battery as well, is a plug. Comes in this nifty little box as well. I've got to say, the packaging is absolutely top quality. I know we don't buy stuff for packaging, but it says a lot about the confidence and the quality of the product, if that makes sense. If they're willing to spend money on packaging, they've got a little bit of confidence in their product. So that's in there. So in here we got the plug to plug in the battery, and it's one of these. And it's a pretty hefty battery, so you can power your gloves and your jacket off of that if you don't have the facility to hardwire it to your battery, or you're just out and about. Here's another thing that I didn't think about till just now. You don't have to wear the vest on the bike. You can wear it out and about. If you're going walking, or you just want to keep warm going to the shops, put the battery pack on, put the vest on, put it under your jacket, off you go. So there you go. I don't know how long it lasts. I would say probably a couple of hours, a few hours. Yeah, it's got a USB outlet there as well, so you can use it as a normal charger for your phone or anything you want to charge, basically. So that's a bonus. We've got a few accessories here. We've got these, which is just some basically vest and body warmer glove connection lead. So that means I can kind of hardwire my vest to my glove so I can power the two from one power source. So that's great. Also, I've been sent one of these, which is a 12-volt cigarette style charger. So that will wire up to either your gloves or your vest. I keep doing this, but you don't know. Basically, my gloves are there and my vest is there. So I'm not completely insane. Not completely. A little bit, but not completely. And the good thing about this as well, it comes with fuses. A lot of people don't know, and I've made this mistake myself on my Africa Twin, that I used a compressor for my tyres off the 12-volt charger, and it blew the fuses, because the fuses are only set up for phones, sat-navs, that type of thing. So if you're running something quite heavy, you're going to need to upgrade the fuses on your 12-volt charger, and if you can see there, this comes with a load of fuses. So that's very thoughtful and very handy. Right, so the next thing is this. Now, I'm not sure where that plugs into. It does say input and output, so it's not going to take a rocket scientist to figure it out. I just haven't looked at it. This is a Bluetooth controller. So that means I can control my heated clothing, courtesy of this little adapter here, via my phone. And as we've already established, I kind of nearly always have my phone on my handlebars anyway. So that's handy if I can control it there without fiddling around with buttons. Now, the buttons on the gloves, see, they are there. I'm not just making this stuff up. Is very easy to do. You just press the button. But I'm not sure how you turn the vest on and off. I haven't even looked for a button. Is there a button? There's a little thing here I've just discovered as well. There you go. So that keeps all your gubbins in. So there's a little pocket down here. There you go. There you go. That's the wire. It's at the bottom there. So that's all zipped in there. So that's how you connect that into the main harness for the bike, and then the wire comes out there for everything else you need. So there you go. Anyway, back to the Bluetooth thing. It means I can control my vest and my gloves via the Bluetooth app. I'm assuming there's a Bluetooth app on the phone. Boom. So anyway, there you go. That's the clothing. Thank you very much to Keis for sending me this heated apparel. I'm going to test this out over the winter. I'll let you know how I get on with it. This is just an unboxing, let you know what I've got. So as I said, once again, thank you very much for sending me this. A special hug going out to Helen. Really appreciate it. I shall leave a little link to their website downstairs in the descriptions box. So go and check it out. You can check out all the products they've got. It also comes with this little product kind of range thing that I probably should have looked at so I could tell you about it. So go down there, click on that link, and you can see all the products they've got. So over the winter, I shall test this. Hopefully it'll keep me toasty warm and I can ride many, many miles off into the sunset to fulfill my dreams. Don't know what that means. Anyway, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, do all those things that you need to do. Also, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate that. Almost forgot that, but also hit the notification bell so you guys can get the drop on these videos. I shall see you on the next one. Leave a comment downstairs in the comment section. You know I love you all. Stay safe. Fish out.
Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead, get gone. Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead and get gone.